Do you currently experience pain, discomfort in your mid-back or between your shoulder blades on a regular basis? Or need to improve your posture? Or ultimately don't want to end up with nursing home posture or that granny hump as you age? Let's grab our foam roller and go over a simple technique on how to address this. To perform this technique, you'll be sitting on the floor with the foam roller positioned behind you. You'll be able to get into a position where you lay back gently with the foam roller sitting right between your mid-back and shoulder blades. Your legs and knees will be bent with your feet flat on the floor. You'll then interlock your fingers so they can support and cradle the back of your head. From this position, you'll bridge your hips off the floor, so now you're parallel from your hips all the way to your head and neck. At this point, you can draw your body back and forth, rolling from the mid-back up between the shoulder blades and traps to release tension in the muscles through your spine and up into your traps themselves. You'll do this around 15 to 20 times up to your comfort level to release tension and stress. To get a little deeper into the muscles, you can then draw your elbows towards your forehead, pulling your shoulder blades away, and then rolling with that same technique to get deeper and working out more of that tension in your mid-back. So you can use this technique throughout the day. Many people enjoy doing this first thing in the morning to loosen up their spine, taking a break during the day or loosening up before they work out, or releasing a lot of the tension stress before they hit the pillow at night. If you found this information useful or would like to learn more techniques just like this, put a yes in the comments below. Once again, I'm Dr. Mead. Have a great day and be well.